Do you wish that you could make $100 every hour online? This video claims that you can make this much with a new bot that they have discovered, and I'm very excited to see what they've got on offer. So I will be trying out this challenge for you guys to see if it is really possible and just how much money I can make with this side hustle as a beginner and with no skills. Now my target to complete this challenge will be 1 hour only, so I can cash it out at the end of the challenge. I will be showing you the full process of this side hustle method, so you can also have a go yourself if you would like. Now by the end of this video, you will get to see my results, so you can decide for yourself if this method really works or not. And write down your predictions now in the comments to guess how much I can make in only 1 hour. So the first step is to create an account on a website called SurfB. How the process works is very simple. All what I have to do is to add the extension to my browser, and then I'll start earning as a user. Now the video claims that the bot can make you money as you don't have to do anything but to click a few buttons. So I had to essentially click on videos that were served to me and watch them so that I could earn money. The main thing is that I had to watch the video for a certain amount of time, but this was probably only between 10 to 30 seconds. After I watched the video, I would then receive an amount of money, and this would show as a banner. I could also make money on this website by viewing other websites and staying on that website between 30 seconds to a minute. Now this was very easy to do as I did not have to do anything other than just click on a button and wait until the time had elapsed. So then once I watched that full video of how to use that new bot, I then started completing tasks. Now every time I completed one of these tasks, I would get paid and the total balance on my account would increase. However, I wanted to earn $100 every hour with this new bot like the video claims, so I kept on clicking on more of these videos and websites and watching them to maximize my potential earnings. So after 20 minutes, you can now see the stats that I have accumulated on my dashboard. I have managed to watch 8 videos so far, and I visited a total of 10 websites. For both of these actions, I have received a reward to collect. So I started to browse some more so I could increase my stats, and I will show you examples on the screen so you can see the type of websites that they were showing me. Now I think that doing this challenge did seem easy enough for anyone to do, as it does not require any skill, but I'm still very far away from the $100 that the video claims can be earned. I also ran into a problem where the website basically said that they had no other tasks to complete on the same day. Now this meant that I had to wait another full day in order to receive more tasks to do for the rest of the next half an hour. So far, my total income is nowhere near $1, and I really think that it would be very difficult to earn a lot of money using this website. Now let's have a look at my dashboard to see how I have got on in the past hour. I have made a total of 1 cent, and you can see that the withdraw funds bar is only full by a quarter of the way. I managed to make this amount by just clicking on the tasks that I have to complete. Now there weren't that many, I soon ran out of them, so there was only so much that you can make in a day. Again, I still cannot withdraw my funds as I have not reached the threshold, which is 3 cents, and that's barely anything. And I'm not sure how this video claims that you can make $100 where I'm barely even making $1 with this website. You will see that this website has a very low payout for people doing this side hustle, and I don't think that it is worth your time doing it at all with these results that I have got. I personally think that there are much better websites out there where you can make so much more money. For example, you can go on Fiverr and promote a skill that you have, and you can then charge the client how much you think that skill will provide in terms of value, and you will make some pretty decent money by freelancing that way. Websites like the one that I've shown you in the video get you to do a lot of work without the great rewards.